Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Slack notifications on your iPhone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who no longer want to see those Slack updates on your iPhone, you no longer want to see those Slack messages. How do you actually turn off those notifications on your iPhone? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that you're first going to go onto the settings tab here, and then on this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says notifications. So click on notifications, and then next what you want to do is that you want to scroll down until you find your Slack application. So Slack is listed down right here, so click on your Slack application. Now this is the really important step, guys. On this page here, you're going to see this button called Allow Notifications. Go ahead and turn that off, and you'll see that all the settings for notifications for Slack have been removed. But if I want to turn it back on, just click on that same button, and now you'll see that all the Slack notifications have been turned back on. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off Slack notifications on your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.